Oh, hello there. Today on Tech Tips, we're going to talk about that pesky noise you find in the air conditioner motor. The blower motor for your vehicle. Sometimes you get this little noise, not much, just a little bit to just enough to annoy you. Something like that. Seems like something's going on down there. Alright, welcome back to Tech Tips. As you can see, it's pretty obvious what's going on with this blower fan. All this area inside here is supposed to be hollowed out. That's really the main problem we have going on here. But as you can also see, over the years of service here, some of these have grown up into the area. This is what it's normally supposed to look like. What we're going to do is we're going to break off all of these growths, and that's going to make the fan work a lot better, a lot smoother and quieter. So you just peel these off like this, restore it to its original condition. If you need to, use a mallet here. Break all those off really good. See, it's nice and clean around here. And what we're going to do now is you want to get these rough edges off right here. So what I find works best is a little carburetor cleaner. Spray it on there a little bit. And then we're going to set it on fire. Now you want to let this burn for about 2 minutes, no longer than 3 or 4. That should actually looks like we're getting there pretty good right now. And just like that, we got a brand new fan back to factory condition, just like that. We're going to go ahead and reinstall it now. Okay, now I'm getting the fan back in place. I'm going to throw a couple screws in here and plug it in, and we'll be on our way to a nice, quiet sounding fan, a good blowing motor, back to normal factory settings. This here is a stubby socket, very specialized tool just for this purpose. Works well in really tight spaces. All right, we're all done reinstalling the fan. Make sure the electrical connection is nice and snug. We'll go ahead and try her out. And now we have a nice, quiet, functioning fan.